Some days you wake up and feel like you can conquer the world. And other days, not so much. But those days, the ones that test you, those are the ones that build discipline. Right now, I'm fasting. And nah, it's not easy. My body's hungry. My mind is tired. But this is what discipline looks like in real life. It's not about being perfect. It's about keeping your word to yourself. When you fast, you learn how to say no to all the noise, no to the cravings, no to the comfort, and no to the shortcuts. And over time, you realize discipline doesn't train you, it frees you. Because you stop negotiating with yourself. You start negotiating with your goals. Man, discipline is quiet. It's not flashy. It shows up in the small moments. Choosing peace over pleasure. Choosing purpose over pleasure. That's how it all happens. Motivation, it comes, it goes. But discipline is always gonna meet you where you at. Stay patient, stay focused, stay disciplined. Yeah, let's go.